then of course you got to figure out how to get the wiring back around into the channel and whatnot. So there's just lots of looking at it and fiddling with it and testing it. And this is where I'm putting the click bond mounts into the ribs there. And if you haven't seen the click bond stuff, it's a little pricey, but it's actually really pretty cool. It's these little hard mount points that have some pretty serious adhesive to them. They're aircraft rated, and there's a military spec to them. They shouldn't ever be a problem. And there's some videos out there on it that kind of go over it. And I ran across their booth at Oskosh this last year, and was really, really impressed with the product. Unfortunately, it's just really rough on how to get started with it, because there's not a real, like, here's a trial pack. You have to pick some stuff and just kind of test with it.